Beside the general maintenance page, there is also an individual maintenance page for each unit. To go to it, you have to click on the unit's number in the maintenance dashboard, or you can go to the list of trucks or trailers, select the unit, and then click on maintenance status. On the unit's maintenance page, you can see three tabs. On the first tab are shown the schedules, the maintenance schedules applied to this unit, their status, how many percent it is left, or if the schedule is overdue, how many percent of overdue there is, and how many days or miles are left until the date or the mileage when the schedule is due for this unit. You can click on the schedule to reset it if you want to reset it manually. Let's say that you put a wrong date. When was the last service date performed? You can change it, and the system will automatically set a new next service date according to the last service date or the last service mileage that you selected. You can click on update entry, and now you can see the entry is updated and there are only 55% left. Okay, you can delete from here. If you want to delete the schedule applied for this vehicle, you can delete it from here. It will only be deleted for this unit, but it will remain applied for all other units for which it is applied. For example, the oil change, if we go to the schedules, you can see that the oil change is applied for 2 trucks. We can delete one of the trucks, so we can delete it from this truck, so no more oil change for this truck. And in this case, if you go to the schedules, we can see that it remain applied for 1 truck only, so 1 truck we already deleted from it. Okay, on the repairs tab, you can see the all repairs, all repair orders that contain this unit. You can see that some of them are closed and we have 1 open. Please notice that here are shown only the works that are related to this unit only. So if you have in a repair order, you have, for example, several units like in this one, 1 truck and 1 trailer, then on the page, on this unit maintenance page in the repair list, you can see only the works that are related or are included for this unit. Okay, from here you can open the repair order. You can see the amount, only the individual amount. So in this case we have 500 for the truck and 100 for the trailer, and you can see here that we have only 500, so it's the amount only for the truck. We can create a new repair from here if you want. In the issues tab, you can see all registered issues for this truck. Here we have no registered issues. We can report an issue. And it will appear here. And also it will be shown in the list of all our issues.